take a look at any successful company and you'll find that they're rarely started by just one person. You see, entrepreneurs and startups, they understand that it takes a team to build a good company. They need people with different talents, unique abilities, all coming together towards a common goal. That's collaboration. Think of a beehive and all the bustling activity within. Every part has a function, every bee assigned a job, and together they create a successful hive, a buzz with activity. See, we're not meant to work alone. We need a team. Any vision worth pursuing is going to be big, too big for one person to do, for you to do. So, when you want to get big things done, get other people, collaborate, work together. Have people bring their own unique strengths together with yours so that you can accomplish those big things. Now, it's not always easy. People can question your ideas and group work can be tough. But when people come around a common goal and listen, share, bring their unique strengths and perspective, well, big things will get done. Your team needs you. Are you an artist or mathematician? What if you brought that with somebody that had the opposite perspective? Well, together, you would create big things. Your 2D vision would pop into 3D vision. So, use that uniquely you vision, your skills, your talents, bring it to a team to create something new, something big ideas that will create a huge buzz in the world to come. So, go find your team and collaborate on something big.